How to fix usage limit reached in Claude AI. In this video, I'll show you some simple ways to fix it. This message usually means you've reached the usage limit for your current Claude plan. The easiest solution is to wait until your limit resets, which can happen after a few hours or according to your plan's usage period. You can also try starting a new chat and closing any conversations you no longer need. If Claude is experiencing high traffic, waiting and trying again later may also help. If you use Claude frequently, you can consider upgrading to a paid plan, which generally provides higher usage limits and fewer interruptions. If you're still seeing the message, check your internet connection, refresh the Claude page, or sign out of your account and sign back in. And that's it. These steps should help you deal with the usage limit reached message in Claude AI. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more helpful AI tutorials.